Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to import any of the ancient statue 3D model into iClone 8. Just by using a piece of the picture, we are going to use the AI to just directly generate the 3D model, and finally we are going to import into iClone 8 3D animation software. Alright, the first step, what you need to do is just save any of the picture that you search from the Google image. Just right click, save the image as, and for this time it is JPG file. Just click save, and next step, you can just go to my video description, click the link that provided by me, the aimeta.com SAM3D, this one. Click and it is going to open with a new tab, and then just click try the playground, click try it, accept, click create 3D scene, add here, then just click upload the picture that you just downloaded just now. This is the ancient statue. We are going to just try a few versions. Then click on it, click one more time, and click one more time, click. We are going to just select the whole thing, just add and select the whole thing, click generate 3D. It is going to generate the 3D model for you just within a few seconds. Now you can see it already generated. So what can you do? You can just export first, click download GLB file, click download, and wait for a few seconds. Now you can see this is a prompt to download it as a GLB file. So the file name, just rename it as Camel Ancient Statue, click save. It is going to download it into your download folder. Just click here, show in folder. This is exactly the GLB file, and we are going to just convert this GLB file into FBX. So what you need to do is just go and download the Blender and install the Blender in your computer. Now I'm going to open the Blender 5.0. Once you open the Blender, click the empty area, click one more time, and press A to select everything, and just press delete to delete everything, and then just import the GLB file first into the Blender. We are going to use the Blender as a converter to convert it into FBX. Just click import GLTF. Now it is already here. Click here to just show. Now you can see this is the 3D model. Next, we are going to export as FBX for two more steps. I click File, Export, FBX on my desktop. Name this as Camel Ancient Statue. Click export the FBX, and this FBX is without the material texture. Next, you need to go to the UV editing. Then under the image here, you make sure you select the image. Already get selected, then click image, save as, then save it on my desktop. Camel Ancient Statue, click save as image. Now this is exactly the material texture that we are going to use later. Alright, now you can back to the iClone 8. At here, I drag in the FBX file to make sure import it. Click convert all, and then now you can see this is without the material texture. So now, next, just drag in the material texture. This is the texture. Now you have the texture already. Then after that, just press E to make sure you turn it to here, -90, and then reset transform. Scroll down until you see this one. This is to set the pivot point. Set it at the bottom center, and then scroll up at here, reset transform, and click zero out. Now it will automatically put at the center. And finally, you are going to adjust the material texture to make sure it looks better. You can just go to here, the material texture, right click and adjust the color. You can adjust the brightness to fulfill your needs, and you also can adjust the color. Make it any color. If you click reset, it is going to reset everything. Most important is the brightness. And now you can close it. Now this is exactly the prop. Then you can save it as an iProp. Go to the custom, click here, go into the props, then click save, and the file name I'm going to just save as camel ancient statue. Just click save, click OK. Then for all of this type of the ancient statue, the animal statue, you can just go and generate a lot and put into your 3D animation scene. Okay, you can just make anything that look artistic. Any of the animal statue, you can make it. Alright, that's all for today about my tutorials on how to generate any of the ancient statue, the ancient animal statue 3D model, the 3D props for your iClone 8 3D animation software just by using any of the pictures. Then finally, you can just make it in iClone 8. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos, tutorials, and sharings, if you feel all these tutorials and sharings are very helpful to your 3D modeling, 3D animations, and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials, or sharings, you will receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy! Happy 3D modeling, 3D animations, and 3D game developing. See you.